today's video, we were inspired by pop art. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Let's go. If you are new here to AZ Beauty, I'm Ashley Zachary. I was inspired by a young lady on Instagram named tiffaneemarie, and I just love what I've created and put my own little spin on it with the yellow little bow here and the bow there. Let's go right into the video to see how I got like this. What's up, beauty gang? So first of all, I would like to say thank you for tiffaneemarie on Instagram. That this look was inspired by. I saw that she collaborated with a couple of people on Instagram and created this nice pop art makeup look, and I was like, oh, I admire some of the people on Instagram. Let me reach out to them and see if they want to be a part of something that's good and great, and you know what I mean. So with that being said, I have a green screen up. Of course, I'm going into different looks on the green screen, but this particular look I found on Instagram, and I wanted to do something yellow because I have that bow tie and the hair scarf to give it a different look. I didn't have a red bandana, so spoiler alert. But so I was like, okay, let me figure out how to get it, how to make it my own with yellow, and yellow is my favorite color. So as you can see, the eyebrows, I did make them a little bit more defined, trying to make sure I leave a nice little look at the top. Then I began blending the yellow because I wanted something that was going to pop out. But I did learn, this goes back to kindergarten, but blue, yellow and blue definitely shaded in the green, which I was not trying to do, but we accept all happy accidents over here, you know what I mean? We got to keep it flowing for sure. And then I saw like this look where it was gonna flow down my face, and so I was trying that look, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna put some white on it, and after the white, I'm gonna blend it in with the blue because I'm using the crayon case eyeshadow. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna blend that. That could be nice. And I was like, okay, this is coming out good. So I'm letting my concealer and my makeup sit at the top, and I'm like, okay, now this is a little different. Let's flow in back with the eyeshadow there. Let's keep going right there, yeah. And I have put some concealer on top of that so I can blend it in with the blue, and so it can be like a polka dot slash. But, you know, when in doubt, blend out. That's always something I like to stand by, because when I went to Morphe, they were able to tell me that, and I thought that was amazing. Excuse me for my makeup mirror that has all that makeup on it, just letting you know. And I tried to use the black to get me like a nice defined look so it can be different and odd. I was like, okay, let me try to get it without, it was just a nice swipe motion. So this is me like trying, and so definitely one eye is different than the other because my hand isn't that steady just yet, but that's okay because this is all practice and just trying to inspire. I was like, I don't want that blue on there no more. Let's try to take it off. So I took it off of that one as well. I thought it was something that I wanted to keep, but I was like, no, let me just take it off. And so now I'm blending in my face with my concealer. I use Morphe 480, so that's good there. And what I'm trying to do now is give you that defined look of the cartoon. And you can see I'm just swiping through my face. Yeah, and then I messed up there. That couldn't have been a happy accident, so I had to start over with the concealer. and I do that little smile and poke out my lips so I can get my defined cheekbones. And I was like, oh, that's really nice. I got that on, and I was like, let me put on some red lipstick to make it pop. And I was like, yeah, that red lipstick definitely made it pop. I'm always a little self-conscious about red lipstick. And I guess that's me I have to be more confident and maybe like filling my lips a little more, meaning like go over my lip, the rim of my lip in order to make sure I don't go over it, because that's like something that I have a pet peeve about myself. So I'm going in defining all of the white and putting some white on my lips so it can pop. And I was like, oh, let me do the left side of my face. Yeah, let me do that. So I was like, yeah, okay. And going in doing the eyeliner, and I was like, oh man, I don't have any eyelashes on. And then I was like, oh, let me get some eyelashes. So I was like, yeah, that's gonna make it pop, pop, pop. And so that's what transpired there. You know, gotta blow them and get everything going. Yes, eyelashes is always an interesting thing to put on at the end, in my opinion. So I just take my time, of course, because I don't want to get the glue everywhere. But yeah, let's go right into this comic book that I made. Hi, I'm Ashley Zachary. I'm strong. I love art. I'm new to makeup. I can hear Jimmy. Make your dreams happen. Always on the grind. Thank you. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. All that stuff, all that stuff.